Good morning, dear tourists, and good morning, everybody. Firstly, I'd like to thank God, because from the blessed, we can meet in this occasion. Hello, friends. Do you like to read or listen a folktale such as Joko Taro, Andia Delu, Sampuria, etc.? I'm sure you have known all of them. By the way, do you know a person who was able to plant cucumber, corns, cucumbers, and so on? Please guess, who was he?
Anted.
Yes, you're right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this occasion, I would like to tell you my story within title, Ante. Once upon a time, there was a young man in a village in India. His name was Ante. He was a farmer who had many talents. He was a hard worker. He could grow rice, corns, vegetables, and fruits well. He had a good house, many goats with the carts, gold, and much money. He was very rich. He was well built and very strong. But he was very ugly. Although Anted wasn't a native, but he wanted to teach the young men in the village how to cultivate the farm well. The young men in the village were very lazy before Anted died. One day, when Anted was working on his farm, suddenly the most beautiful girl in his village, Raquel named, came. Ante, she called him. Anted was very surprised. Oh, it's you, Raquel Bune. Oh, brother, I miss you. I haven't met you for a long time. Ante replied. Ante, who grows rice and cucumbers over a day? Ante. Raquel Bune asked. It's me, Raquel Bune, my sweetie girl. Why do you ask it? Do you want them? If you want them, you can take them all, including me. Ante replied. Raquel Bune answered, No, Ante. I just want to ask. By the way, are you interested in me? Sorry, you're on my level. I am very beautiful. How pretty I am. Actually, when you call me Ante, I am so happy. My heart is beating fast. I fall in love with you, oh God. Ante, who grows the wheat and green corns? Ante, Raquel Bune asked. It's me, Raquel Bune, my honey. You can take them all, but you must sing a love song for me in return. Ante replied. Ante, who has many healthy goals of a day? Ante, Raquel Bune asked. They are mine, Raquel Bune. I am very rich. Do you want them? Okay, I'll give you in one condition. You must marry. I am single, Raquel Bune. Please become my beloved wife. Ante said. No, Ante. I have a fiance. I just want you to become my friend, not a husband. Raquel Bune answered. Just then, Raquel Bune ran away, but Ante chased her and said, Wait me, Raquel Bune. I love you so much. Get away from me, Ante. Raquel Bune responded. Ante wanted to hug her, but she could avoid him. Ha! Catherine! Raquel Kuning spelled a magic spell. And that fell down because of Raquel Kuning's magic chundri, a small weapon. Magically, he changed to be a very handsome man. Oh my God, how handsome you are! Raquel Kuning was very surprised that Ante was actually Raden Panji Asmorobalu, her fiancé, a prince of Kediri Kingdom. Finally, they went back to the village and got married. They lived happily ever after. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, do you know what can we learn from my story?
No.
Let me tell you. First, don't be arrogant and underestimate others. Second, we must be loyalty with the fiancé and have great efforts to achieve everything we want. Third, never give up and pray to our God in order to grant our desire. I think that's all my story. I hope you can enjoy it. Thanks for your nice attention. The last I say, Aum Swastiastu.